Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a little review on this Mucar OBD2 scanner. This is the 892BT bidirectional scanner. So let's see what we have in here. I'm gonna start using it to see the features and everything that it has. The scanner is wireless. You can connect this to the OBD2. It has extension and different connections to charge it to the wall and different attachments depends on where you live. So this is a very complete scanner and you can do pretty much everything with it. For this test, I'm gonna use my 2023 Nissan Altima. Since I get this car, I never scan it, so I wanna see what is hiding because even though it's a 2023, you never know. Start button is on top. You're gonna have a kickstand on the back, and you can do this outside the car as well. That's the really good thing about it because it has the Bluetooth connectivity. This is gonna be the main menu. You're gonna have the VIN number so you can scan the VIN, diagnostic, OBD2. You're gonna have the history, report, feedback. That's the community, and this is the MUI intelligent assistant. So yeah, it's right here. Let's go to VIN number. We're gonna scan it, and it works really fast. Great thing about this scanner, you can do keys too. You want to code the key, you want to code the sensors on your tires, you want to check injectors, I mean whatever you need. Okay, you go to diagnostic, type Nissan, you're gonna have here different menus. You have on the bottom maintenance, GTR full system diagnostic, automatic search. Let's go on that one, automatically search. Yeah, confirm. Health report, and it's gonna start scanning the whole vehicle. Right here it says that it has 20 systems found and 9 DTCs, and you can see everything in red is previous codes. Something wrong with the airbag, tire pressure. At some point in the past, tire pressure was low. Laser radar, something is going on with the radar. Radar stain, sonar, corner sensor. So something is going on with the sensors, and pretty much that's what it found. So let's go to the airbag, which kind of like concern me. Read the code. That's the code. You can go to details of freeze frame. Okay, doesn't tell me much in there on the details. AI analysis, and in here is gonna tell you that probably the battery low voltage is gonna give you a code. Check resistance, it's gonna tell you all the options if you want to do this at home and you don't want to take it to the shop. Now let's go to, this is just on the path because the air on the tires, it's okay right now, but at some point it was low. Same thing, check the steering angle, steering angle sensor calibration. It gives you some tips, but it doesn't tell me. I just know that it was low at some point. Okay, we're gonna clear everything because everything checked out right now, and I don't have a check engine light. Erasing the whole everything and then re-scan it. In this page right here, you're gonna have and be able to check the air fuel ratio, ABS. You can do ABS bleeding by just bleed the whole system. In here, add blue reset, You can check if you have adaptive front lighting system. You can reset it. You can check in and match air suspension, which is important for the new vehicles with the air suspension. Airbag reset, battery matching like BMWs and Europeans, brake pad reset, clutch matching. You have electronic water pump starting. You can check your water pump and your system. So there you have it, guys. This is my new scanner. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you wanna go and check this scanner, because pretty much you can do everything with it. And if you're interested, the link is gonna be in the description if you're gonna grab yours.